Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for watching today's video. I am super excited for this unboxing, and I am so sorry because you're gonna hear a lot of Eli. He is in the room with me right now and I can't get rid of him. I'm sorry, he wants to be in the room with me, so you might hear mom in the background, and I apologize. So I'm trying to do this unboxing as best I can, and here he comes. Hi, Bebe. Come here. He thinks he's talking to the camera. Come here, Shug. Ven. No. No vas a ver nada así, papá. So, no. Se cae. No. Se cae, mi vida. I'm sorry, guys. Sorry. But anyway, today's video is just very special to me because I have been saving for this product forever. As you guys already know, it is the iPad Pro 2020. I know, baby, I know. They don't understand, baby. I've been wanting the iPad Pro since it first debuted, I believe in 2018 or maybe further out. Sí, mi vida. I'm sorry. But yes, I have been wanting it forever, and I finally saved up and decided, you know what, I'm just going to do it. I'm going to take the plunge. Because every time I went to purchase it, I felt guilty. I was like, this is too much money. Just like when I buy a bag. Like, I'm like, this is, what's going on? I'm like, this is too much money to spend on this. But I'm like, you know what, I work hard. I save for it. So why not? This video has turned out to be a disaster. Shit. Yeah. Okay. What you doing, bud? Trying to get out? Yeah. My shuggy woogie. Who's my bebe? Who's my bebe? Hey, who's my bebe? Yeah, you are. That's just lipstick on him. I gave him a big old kiss. Yeah, you want to help me? Okay. Uh-oh. Hold on, baby. Hold on. Here. I'm going to have you sit down, okay? You see me, Visa. Oh, yeah? And then what happened? Okay. Ready, so here is the box. Let's see. I think they're pretty awesome with their pull tabs here. There she is. Oh my god, she is beautiful, as one would expect. Oh my god. iPad Pro. I got this in the specs are 128 gigabytes. Let's see if I can focus out a little bit. 128 gigabytes, iPad Pro 11-inch, the second generation, and I got just the Wi-Fi. And it is in the space gray. And let's get her on open. That was A bit uneventful. Huh? We got the iPad. Right here we have the pencil. So, I don't know why this doesn't have a pull tab. Let me get my little scissors. Oopsie. Whoopsie. Uh-oh. Eli's coming, so let me hurry up and close these and put them up. You can see his little monster hands are gonna... The iPad pencil. You okay, Shay? The second generation pencil. Oh, this is so pretty. Oh, it's a nice weight. I like the matte texture of it. There's Apple Pencil there. So there's that. And in here, you have your instructions, and I don't think anybody reads. So there's that. And then, oh, sorry guys. Let's see. Oh my gosh. Here it is. This is the best part, taking the plastic off the device. It is so beautiful.
Two hours later.
Wow, the pencil's at 4%. Okay, so that's dead. Oh, okay, it changed my... There we go. Alrighty. Alright guys, so that's it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching today's utter trash unboxing video, and I will see you guys in the next one. I will bring you an update on how I'm using it and how it compares to my iPad 9.7 inch. Alright guys, thanks so much for watching. Stay safe. Bye guys.